This forest looks cool and creepy at the same time.
Yes, like a postcard that might also bite.
Stay close, and please do not touch anything marked with stones or leaves.
That sounds important enough to ruin everybody's fun.
Was this made by people? Yes, which usually means we should admire it with our eyes only. That shiny stone looks amazing. Oh, ah. And the way you said that already sounds like a bad idea.
Do not touch that. Some things in this forest are not souvenirs. See? Even the forest has a gift shop policy.
I'm not touching it. I'm just looking really hard. Please let your curiosity use indoor manners. Okay, that bird entered the scene way too dramatically.
Even the wildlife here likes jump scares.
If you are doing something stupid, I need front row seats.
I'm only checking it for 1 second.
It's warm. Tom, warm is not the reassuring word you think it is. Why did everything go quiet? I think the forest just noticed us.
Tom? Anna?
If either of you touch something mysterious, now is the perfect time to confess. Tom?
Anna?
We should go back. Fast! Yes, before reality catches up. There you are. We were just walking. Just sweating. No more wandering, okay?
No more wandering, okay?
Okay. This place already feels nicer than last night. That is a very low bar, but yes. Aloha means hello, love, and welcome. I like that word. It sounds like a smile. Aloha! Welcome to our village. Aloha! I like this place already. This feels peaceful. Good, because I'm done with haunted adventures.
Lei means love, welcome, and connection. That is beautiful. It makes the flowers feel even more special.
Please sit here. We're gonna make lei together.
Cool, I've never made jewelry before. You're doing great, Tom. Yeah. Why is this harder than video games? Because flowers don't come with a tutorial level. Hey, this one actually looks good. It does, and I'm honestly impressed. Mahalo! Ah! Mahalo! Mahalo to you too. You're learning fast. Aloha nui! You said it like a tiny king. Good, then bring me more flowers.
Hula tells stories with the body.
Then my body is about to tell a very confused story.
Look, I can do this one. Words on your. You're getting it fast. Keep going, going. Tom, the ocean is that way, not behind you. I'm giving the fish a private performance. Feel the rhythm first, then let your body follow. Okay, I guess that's easier than overthinking it.
Now you both look great, Jess.
I still have lost the Ross crab, but I'm having fun.
Now this is my kind of culture class.
You say that every time food appears. What is this one called?
That one is poi.
Wow, I'm done.
Very good. Your Hawaiian is getting better.
This fruit tastes so fresh. Oh, I could live on pineapple and sunshine.
Now we share stories from long ago.
I like stories when no one turns into smoke.
These are old stories, nothing to fear.
Okay, I'm ready.
This is a story of love, jealousy, and great power.
That already sounds better than TV.
Pele's heart can burn with love and anger.
I think I understand that now.
This place has a little bit of everything.
That's because it is cooler than our house. I think I found my talent. Ah!
Let's not say that until the drum agrees.
Mine looks like a tired green noodle.
That just means you are being creative.
Look, it's a starship.
That's amazing, my little artist.
This day got way better. I vote we stay in the nice village forever.
That doesn't sound like dancing.
No, something changed.
Holy!
Help! Trouble is coming!
Why is he talking so fast?
Because this is bad news. We need to warn everyone.
Gather the villagers.
My flowers look sick. Sad stick.
That is not normal.
Not even a little. Mine is burning at the edges.
Drop it. Don't keep anything strange on you.
What happened? What happened?
Someone is missing in the forest.
Why is this happening here too?
Because whatever was quiet,
Is not quiet anymore.
People are missing! They vanished near the trees! Vanished! What do you mean vanished? People are missing! They vanished near the trees!
Like me? Last night? Tom, stay beside me and do not wander.
no, this is not a warning anymore. Then what is it? Something has awakened. Samaita.
And it's angry?
That smoke looks wrong.
Yes, and it's moving too fast.
I saw someone in the smoke. No, I saw more than one.
They're still.
I don't believe this. Please tell me this is a dance group. That is the worst joke at the worst time.
No one leaves my side. Not one step.
We face this together no matter what it is.
Why did the drums stop?
Because now we're supposed to hear something worse.
Dad, is this because of me?
I don't know yet, son. But whatever comes next, we face it together.